down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified SHOEPERFLY or a don't buy. So without further ado,
fuck your pride, just take it on back, boy, take it on back, boy, take it back all night, just take it on back, take it on back, do what you gotta do, keep me up all night, hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby. That sunshine, boy, I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gonna get it like that.
from the Spanish apparel founder Amancio Ortega, one of the wealthiest clothing retailers in the world and pioneer in fast fashion, the Zara Slingback Kitten Heels are a hot commodity designed to take you from day to night in effortless style. Adding a colorful foundation to your wardrobe, the Soul pastel color Slingbacks scream of grace and poise, gently lofting a badass sophistication. Want the hottest shoes, reviews, and on-feet previews? Then smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel for more. Welcome back to SHOEPERFLY as I bring you yet another one in kitten heel proportions as the Zara Slingback Kitten Heel Mules, here in a size 9 in the color pink, delivers a fun but offbeat heel height of 2 inches with a pointed toe and square shaped back. The crafted upper is of 100% polyester, while the lining is of 100% polyurethane and the sole is of 100% polyurethane thermoplastic, featuring an insole of 95% polyurethane and 5% polyester. I know, a lot of polyurethane. Offered in the additional color black for $49.90 and pistachio green in leather for $69.90 from Zara.com, and in blue and fuchsia shimmery for $89.90 excluding tax and shipping from the website. The heels come in both whole and half sizing up to, get this, a size 11, running about a half size too small, as I have a size 9 here, which fits just fine, leaving me to believe a size 8.5, my regular size, might have been too tight. Just a simple warning. A definite do buy, superheroes. So yes, SHOEPERFLY all the way, from its colorful personality to its smooth and soft textile, trendy heel, and flexible latex foam insole. Designed to offer increased comfort. This is really comfortable. It's really, really comfortable. It may not appear so, and the insole may not seem that padded, but trust me, it is. The Zara Slingback Kitten Heels are sure to crank up your classy vibe with maybe a satin wrap skirt and blouse or bustier to exclude an uptown panache. Exclude or exhume? Exhume, exclude, exhume an uptown panache. I live to hear what you have to think. Here's a closer look at the Zara Slingback Kitten Heels.
Waiting on that sunshine. Waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No, I argue. You, yeah. But you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Waiting on that sunshine, boy. I think I need that back. Can't do it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue. You, yeah. But you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gonna do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, baby.
Hey superheroes, here's a quick game for you. See if you can tell me which one of these is actually a Zara lie without cheating and looking it up first online. 1. A United States First Lady wore a $39 Zara jacket emblazoned with, quote, "I really don't care, do you?" end quote, during a humanitarian trip to a migrant child detention center in Texas. Or 2. A 24-year-old Connecticut woman bought a $49 Zara dress that had a dead rodent sewn into the hem of the dress. Well, if you guessed neither is a lie, you would be absolutely correct, as the former First Lady Melanie Trump did actually wear the "I really don't care, do you?" Zara jacket during an unplanned trip to a children's shelter. I know, hard to believe, but it's true, yet even harder to believe. But it is as well, is that a woman purchased a brand new dress from a Zara store and a week later noticed a repugnant smell upon wearing it for the first time, and that the loose string hanging along the hem of the dress was in fact a rodent's leg poking out along the seams and rubbing up against her leg with the rest of its body still trapped under the fabric. Yikes. Needless to say, she is suing Zara for unspecified damages, saying the dress caused her both personal injury and emotional distress. Now, word to the wise, my superheroes, make sure to always try on your purchases before leaving the store and fill out the material to avoid something like this happening to you. As for Zara, well, I can't speak for the clothes, but I can tell you that there's definitely no dead rodents in shoe boxes to date. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.